I'll be kind of like 40, and I told my partner I need something exciting. So we'll see what comes next year. So this is... Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we will enjoy to interact and learn from each other. Our channel is all about lifestyle, traveling, cooking, shopping, and many other things that involve our daily life. Let's rock this together by subscribing, commenting so that I can learn from you guys. Cheers! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know guys, I've been really quiet, but I'm back again. Guys, I enjoyed Rome. Some of you know that we were in Rome. I enjoyed Rome, guys. It was nice to be there, but again, we missed home, so we are back home. And hope you guys are doing great. You had your great summer holidays, and you're back to your businesses, you're working, and everything, maybe to school or university or whatever you're doing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the summer holidays. And for me, yeah, I enjoyed. So guys, what I'm going to say is cheers. I love wine. You guys, that I love wine. And unfortunately, let me tell you this, guys, I can't take any more coffee. Every time I take coffee, I have terrible headache. So coffee, it's bye-bye, no coffee. So it's wine, tea, and other stuffs. So guys, cheers. Okay, so guys, maybe some of you, have you seen that this year has gone so fast? Yes. From my side, I'm surprised that we're in September, and very soon it will be what? It will be autumn, and then you have those beautiful leaves turning from green to yellow, and then to what? To golden, and then golden brown, and then brown, and then it's all gone. Then you have all those, the cozy moments and everything. The thing I don't like when it's autumn, it's only November, because November kind of like we have less sunshine. The sun is up there, but then we have a lot of foggy everywhere, and then you have to go up, like you have to go up to have that sun, so that's the thing. That's one thing I don't like about autumn in November. But the beginning, it's all wonderful, it's all lovely. So guys, we are going to open something I bought in Rome. Actually, I bought in Rome. We have been back home now more than 2 months, but I bought this in Rome and I didn't open, so we are going to open something together, guys. So cheers. I have to put my wine down there and then to show you this. I know you are wondering, guys, I don't have a permanent place where I can make kind of like videos, actually. So most of the time I've been making videos in the kitchen, once here also, but the other side, and also I've made videos in the library, and then in the other room, and I think in our sleeping room. I just don't have a permanent place because I don't just find them all good for me, like to make. So it's really difficult to have that permanent place. Like, this is my permanent place where I'm going to make all the videos. I thought I'm going to make the other room like a permanent room for making videos, but it's not possible now. So I am in this room again, but the other side, not the other side, yeah. So we have to start opening the box, guys. Let me put down the glass of wine. So this is what I'm going to show you. So we are going to open something, and I'll show you what I bought in Rome. Actually, I didn't open and I didn't use it, so we are going to do this together. You can see, guys, so from Louis Vuitton. I think I was like, this only something I want to buy from Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to reduce buying things from Louis Vuitton. And when I'm going to have that, then it's bye-bye. Only when I see something nice again. It's not just about buying. Oh, I want to have this, I want to have this. it's something that I love, then I'm going to have it. So let me do like this. Yeah, okay, so and again, I think, you know, it's kind of like a little bit difficult to do to to do the opening and everything here in this side, because when I did the other side, I had actually a table and everything, and everybody could see the table. But then I'm here and I have another table, you know, I have to move everything, you know. It's you know, guys, how it is, the content creator, YouTubers, you need to find this and that, you know, so it's crazy. But yeah, maybe I'll go back in the kitchen, because in the kitchen it's much easier. In the kitchen, yes, it's much easier. But it just, I didn't want to clean. There are a lot of things there, so I was like, okay, yeah, it's okay. I'm going to arrange things, and it's okay. So this is the box, guys. We are going to open together and see what is inside. So I'm going to do like this, then you can see. I'll be kind of like 40, and I told my partner I need something exciting, so we'll see what comes next year. So this is, you know, guys, Louis Vuitton. I know these here, you know what's supposed to be here, but nothing is here. I removed because I'll talk about it in the, you know, and you're going to hear what I'm going to say. And so here we are. This is the small thing, and I wanted to have something like black. That's a thing. So this is, yeah, so I wanted to have something black, you know, something from Louis Vuitton, completely black, for my, you know, like I can use this as a clutch, you know, guys, I love cocktails. I go out most of the time. We go dinner date with my partner and everything, so I wanted something like this, you know. So yeah, so this was the thing I bought in Rome. And the reason I was like, I have to buy this in Rome, this is one important reason, guys. I know a lot of you just want to buy things without considering the importance of owing that, you know, when you have these things, you know. So you'll be like, oh, I just want to buy because everybody's buying. I understand that. And you have like a super rich people, actually, the super rich people, they will just buy, you know, like you have, especially from Middle East people, those who are rich, some of them, they are not even kind of like super rich, but then they will just buy for the sake of buying, because it's kind of like, for them, I know when it's flashy, that means the status goes up. Yeah. So, and a lot of things, a lot of people, they have taken that, you know, like when it's flashy, then the status goes up. So you hear people, they will just buy and buy without considering that it's the value, actually. So for me, it's always the value. So, and the value and how it's going to, you know, when I dress up something and how it's going to look like. So for example, you know, this dress is, yeah, it's a simple brand, but it's not cheap. For me, when I say it's not cheap, it's not from Zara, and it's not from whatever, but it's a brand. When you go there, you're not going to find something really like cheap. So, and for me, anything above $100, I'm going to say it's not cheap. It's okay in this price range. It's okay. And for me, it's okay. I'm going to buy it, you know, because I look at things like that. So this, I bought it in Rome, actually. So guys, this is Louis Vuitton, simple but classic bag. And yeah, this is more I would do like for my outing, dinner dates, and like this. So I'm going to have some of my bags like from Chanel to be a little bit down, you know, I've used them too much. So here we are. Yes, guys, and I'll show you inside. And this is, you know, in most cases, you know, they have like the, not the gold, but they have the silver. I didn't like it. I don't know. I don't like to have like the handbags which have like silver here. I don't know, because I think I have a lot of jewelries which is in gold, so I want to always like match and not to, yeah. So this is inside here. It's big enough for everything inside here, as a clutch bag or this small bag. You know how it is, you're not going to put everything. You just need so important documents, your cards, your phone, and your keys, and you're done. So yeah, this is here you have, and here. Yes, guys, so I think so. Guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to say bye bye, guys. Bye.